I am Anil Kumar, and here is an application of solving right triangle. Question is, determine the angle theta to the nearest degree. We are given the triangle with the dimensions and the angles. Theta is that angle which we need to find. So you can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now, since we need to solve for theta, we have to find dimensions of this triangle, which we can actually calculate by working out the smaller triangle. Now, let us say that the height of this triangle is x, right? In that case, knowing the angle 40 degrees, here it is right triangle, hypotenuse, and the side adjacent to 40 degrees, we can find x. Once we find x, then using x, which is the opposite side of theta, and the hypotenuse, using sine theta, we can find theta, correct? So let's begin by reminding ourselves with simple relations. So cut over. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent, right? Since we have just learned these, we are taking time to remember. Okay, SOHCAHTOA is one which is going to help us solve this question. So in this triangle, the smaller one, we can write, since we know we want to find x, we know hypotenuse, x is the adjacent side, so we are going to use cosine. So what is cos of 40 degrees? Cos of 40 degrees is x over 15, right? X over 15. Now by cross multiplying, we can find x. So x is equals to 15 times cos of 40 degrees, right? So let's find the value. It is 15 times cos of 40 degrees, which is equals to 11.49. So we have this answer as, let me write here, 11.49, right? And it's in centimeters. So we know now x. Now we can solve the bigger triangle and find theta. In the bigger triangle, what do you notice? X is the opposite side, right? So we know now the opposite side and hypotenuse. That means we can use sine, right? So sine of theta, which is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, is equal to x over 22, right? Let me first write x over hypotenuse 22, right? Now that is to say x is 11.49, so it is 11.49 over 22. So what is theta equals to? Theta equals to sine inverse of 11.49 divided by 22, correct? So we can again use our calculator and find sine inverse. So we'll do shift sine function, so we get sine inverse within bracket 11.49 divided by 22 bracket close equals to, so we get our angle as equal to 31.48, correct? This could be rounded to the nearest degree, so it is 31 degrees, and therefore we get our answer, that is theta equals to 31 degrees. I hope the steps are very clear, right? So when you have a triangle to solve, identify the sides which you should find so that you can get to the angle, right? I hope this approach helps you to solve similar questions. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.